Okay, guys, you know who I am. I am Kate. And yes, I love to say and yes. And today, I'm going to be teaching you the basics of cat feeding. Yeah, and you already knew that because of the title. I may be an angel, a very loving one, but inside, I am a true demon. At least, that's what people say. Do I look like an angel to you? Do I? Or do you think I look like a demon? You choose. Oh no! No wonder it was so yellow! I turned on the blue light filter! Much better, isn't it? I apologize. I didn't mean to look so demonic. Okay, now where was I? Oh, right. I was about to say which one of the cat tips I should tell you first. Right. I'm going to tell you the cat food tips first. And first of all, cats like to eat a variety of foods. There's dry food, wet food, and even churros is a type of very expensive cat treat given to them every so often. And there's even fish, beef, pork, bird eggs, and also here are some more good protein-full foods cats like to eat. Salmon, trout, herring, mackerel, tuna, whitefish, chicken, turkey, pheasant, beef. Maybe I said too much. Yeah, and some fruits cats can eat are blueberries, melon! Oh, sorry, my fault. I didn't draw blueberries. Okay, now I drew them. How about melon? Yes, melon's here now. And then your cat has a problem with not eating dry food and only wet food? Well, here's the trick to solve it. So, pour about a centimeter wide layer of dry food and then put half a centimeter wide wet food on it. Or just, and then they'll try to eat the wet food only, but at the same time, they will swallow the dry food. You'll know when you hear all those crunches. And then put a very thin layer of wet food, and then some dry food, a layer of wet food, dry food, wet food, dry food, and on the top, put a couple pieces of wet food, kind of like this. That way, your cat will eat it. Yes, I know that's hard, but you can manage with it. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Keep your kittens healthy, and most of all, stay well. We'll see you in the next session.